Even going to say anything, but I had this, throwing it out. Going, this guy's advertising again. No way. This guy's advertising 10% off. We'll fix damage restored to new. They fix damage restored to new. Okay, this truck was brought here. We fixed damage restored to new. We fixed damage restored to new. They painted that. We fixed damage, and this roof is a pile of shit too. But it's like, if it was dry, you would see it. Oh, it's terrible. I didn't even paint around my brake light. I picked it up. They're spraying water in my third brake light. This is years ago. But we restore damage. We restore to new. We fix damage, restore to new. All this is peeling over here, then it repealed. I had to get it repainted again. Yeah, this roof looks freaking terrible. It's dirty now because it rains every day. It's a lot of messed up cars, and it was an accident using them. That's my video about them. Avoid anyone in a newspaper. Avoid trash in the trash, like that advertisement, and get it through your head that not because you see it right there at advertisement doesn't mean it's any good. Or if you think it does, this is gonna go right through your head. You're gonna have a headache and realize you've been screwed like this asshole fixed. I think he's friends with that guy actually. The guy who fixed this nightmare. And I have a radiator support in here. So I was supposed to change it and I didn't. One day I'll get around to it when it's cool out. Or next time I crash into something. I crashed into that. I didn't bend the radiator support. Maybe next time they do it will. So I didn't do it. I just try to fix things, and I kind of gave up on fixing things. Yeah, you will have a headache when you think you're getting something again, but you didn't. That's for advertisement. Maybe the owner of that place might even still have his phone number somewhere around saved. They called me once. They wanted to give me back my truck when it was halfway destroyed. Oh yeah, like it was a big deal. Like, oh yeah, like, oh, the paint fell off on the side. It's gonna cost more money now because he ripped the paint off. And that same paint I had to repaint again at another shop. Oh, there's me. He probably just saw me. Hello, how you doing? So, I don't care. Do what you did. It's what you want to be remembered as in this life. If you're paying someone, or someone's paying you to do something, you make sure it's done to the highest level, or undetectable, or you don't do it at all. It's like my mechanical work. It's done pretty good, I'm gonna say, because I care. Sometimes it's not done to 100% because I need extra part here and there, but I will acquire it eventually. Very stupid car. New battery, 9744. Oh, I actually had a tape line because they painted this whole pillar, and this is where the other guy painted it. Notice no more. We kind of see the faint where it was because I sanded it, but they actually had this huge defined paint line that was right there, and it was peeling back. So I actually pulled this all the way back, and the other place did a way better job. But jackoffs decided, if you see this paint line right here, that's where they decided to put a paint line for the roof when they painted it. And over there, like literally, check out this line they could have used right there. Could have went down to here, but no. Or maybe even here. No, how about this right there? Look at the mold growing from all the rain. Yeah, jackoffs did a real nightmare job. It's all peeling and shit on the top. It's blistering already. And yeah, I wish it was dry when I was making this video. They didn't even take the brake light out to paint a roof. It's 4 screws. It was too much for them to handle. And then I made a big deal about it. I told them, take off this please. You can break it if you want. I'll peel right off. Oh no. And the brake light. Oh no. And then they told me that this was fine. And now that I'm thinking more, this was fine at the top edge of the door. had no paint on it. That was fine. So that was wonderful. Jack offs. Oh man, look at the mold on this side. See, look at this happens literally after one rainstorm. That's my address. They're gonna go report me. You can't make videos like this. Oh, what company? Oh man, I wasted like a couple $100. A couple $100 is not much money. But oh, they left the interior. Oh, this is getting shitty too. I gotta cycle this. Full of this grease. They left the interior too, just absolutely trashed. It was like someone just like was living in here for a week. Just totally just trashed inside too. They didn't even bother cleaning it. That was another cool thing. One thing I learned when I was doing automotive repairs, try to keep the interior clean. You're gonna have that customer that's gonna go nuts about it. Even if the vehicle's trashed, you'll have a customer that goes nuts about it. Well, I'm still going with this, so I warned you. And hope someone sees this video and thinks twice about. Maybe they got better, I don't know, but in my case, I hope they got better. Like in my situation, I definitely got ripped off. But keep an eye. Be careful and just know that when there is a problem, they really don't care. It's fine when it's not fine. Because remember, you're the customer expecting good and not total trash. And that was one of those places too that said like, oh yeah, we would have charged you more money then for the, like, why didn't you tell me up front? Why didn't you tell me? I could have charged me $600. And if what you're saying it's going to be cheaper if you charge me $300? You know, it's just that mentality. And they're from Ohio too. That explains a lot as well. Alright, we're done. We're done bitching. I'll paint my own car. Working on it for years, never finished.